Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP OfficeJet 250 mobile all-in-one printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to check for updates on this device. Firstly, you need to open the control panel and click on the settings button on the left top corner of your screen. Then scroll down and find your maintenance, printer maintenance. Click on it. Then scroll down again and find here update the printer and click check for printer updates right now. Wait a while, and as you can see, an update is available that can improve the printer's performance. Would you like to install the update? Click yes and wait for downloading the update. Okay, as you can see, my printer was successfully updated. The most current printer update has been installed. So, okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. And bye. See you.